Hi friends, welcome to my channel A1 Lucky Life Media. I am presenting to you two best natural fertilizers, onion peel and egg peel powder. Egg peel powder and onion peel powder. This product can be made easily at home. It helps plants to grow faster. It contains potash which helps the plant to bloom faster. Egg peel powder contains a lot of calcium. Yield of crops. Method of use. Mix 1.5 teaspoon onion peel powder, 1 tablespoon egg peel powder with soil in a grow bag or pot once in a month. It helps the plant for an extraordinary growth. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share to your friends and families. Thank you for watching. Come in. Good wishes. That's all.